Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue flowers. First, gather your ingredients: egg whites, granulated sugar, and a pinch of cream of tartar. It's crucial that all your mixing bowls and whisks are completely clean and grease-free. Begin by beating the egg whites until they form soft peaks, then slowly incorporate the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the mixture is glossy and stiff. Now let's get to the fun part: piping. Prepare your piping bags with different flower tip nozzles, like a petal tip or a star tip, to create various flower shapes. Divide your meringue into smaller bowls and gently mix in gel food coloring to achieve your desired shades. Carefully pipe individual petals onto a sheet of parchment paper, building up your flower designs 1 layer at a time. Once your beautiful meringue flowers are piped, it's time to bake them. Preheat your oven to a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the flowers for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they are completely dry and crisp to the touch. For the best texture and to prevent cracking, let them cool down slowly inside the oven with the door slightly ajar. Proper storage is key to keeping your meringue flowers perfect. Once completely cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Avoid refrigeration, as humidity can make them sticky and soft. They can last for several weeks if stored correctly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.